Have you ever spent hours trying to write an ad, only to end up with something that gets no clicks, no leads, and no sales? The truth is, most AI-generated ads fail because people don't know how to guide AI properly. Today, I'll show you a simple workflow for creating high-converting AI ads using structured prompts inside ThunderPrompts. Whether you're promoting a business, a product, or a service, this process can save you hours while helping you create more effective marketing content. Welcome to AI Gold Rush Pro. AI is changing digital marketing faster than ever before. But while AI can generate ads in seconds, the quality of those ads depends entirely on the prompts you give it. Instead of asking AI to simply write an ad, you need a structured system that provides context, goals, and audience information. That's exactly what we'll cover in this tutorial. Why most AI ads fail. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They open ChatGPT and type, "Write me a Facebook ad." That's it. No audience, no offer, no pain point, no desired outcome. AI can only work with the information you provide. The result is usually generic copy that sounds like every other advertisement online. Successful ads connect with real people. That starts with giving AI the right direction. The high-converting AI ad framework. Before asking AI to create an ad, provide 5 key elements. First, who is your target audience? Second, what problem are they trying to solve? Third, what solution are you offering? Fourth, what benefit makes your solution different? Finally, 5. What action do you want people to take? These 5 elements help AI create ads that feel relevant, persuasive, and action-oriented. Using ThunderPrompts. Now let's see how ThunderPrompts simplifies this process. Instead of building prompts from scratch, you can start with structured marketing templates designed for advertising and content creation. Simply enter your business details, audience, and campaign goals. The framework guides AI through each step, making it easier to generate complete ad concepts, headlines, body copy, and calls to action. This saves time and creates more consistent marketing content. Real-world example. Imagine you're promoting an online course. Instead of asking AI for a generic advertisement, use a structured workflow. Tell AI, your audience is beginners. Their biggest challenge is learning new skills quickly. Your solution is an easy-to-follow online course. Your goal is to generate sign-ups. Why marketers love ThunderPrompts. One reason many marketers appreciate ThunderPrompts is that it helps standardize their workflow. Instead of relying on inspiration every day, they can work from proven prompt structures. That means faster content creation, more consistent messaging, less trial and error. Whether you're creating ads, landing pages, emails, or social media campaigns, having a repeatable process helps you focus on improving your marketing instead of constantly rewriting prompts. If you'd like to improve your AI marketing workflow, check out ThunderPrompts using the link below. And don't forget to grab the free AI prompt bundle and join the newsletter for more AI tutorials, marketing strategies, and prompt frameworks. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical AI tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.